show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love. And make a statement, I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word
The
I move so descriptive like an
XPENG
adjective.
underwent
I
a
got
grueling
vendetta against
720-degree
people who patented
5-stage sequential collision test in collaboration with CATARC. The challenge proved the SUV's structural integrity against multiple severe impacts, deep water fording, and a 2.2-ton roof crush drop, ensuring passenger compartment survival and zero battery fires. The 5-stage Collision Challenge Breakdown. The vehicle was subjected to the following tests in sequence. Underbody and wading. The SUV was driven over scraping obstacles at 30 kilometers per hour and submerged in 700 millimeters of water to ensure the battery pack didn't catch fire and the passenger cabin stayed dry. Frontal and multi-angle collisions. 3 consecutive impacts at 100 kilometers per hour were simulated. A frontal crash, a side collision, and a 45-degree rear-end collision. Roof crush. A 2.2-ton shipping container was dropped from a height of 1 meter directly onto the vehicle roof. Key structural engineering features high-strength bodywork, utilizes a 2,000 megapascal ultra-high-strength steel body and 1,500 megapascal hot-stamped roof crossbeams. Pillar integrity. During the 100 kilometers per hour impacts and container drop, the A, B, C, and D pillars showed zero structural failure or deformation, and all doors opened normally. For tips on how the XPENG GX handles the impact forces and protects the battery system.
即将开始。
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
本次工况基于现实场景形成超标挑战。5次连环工况结束之后呢，小鹏 GX 展现了其绝对的硬核实力。我宣布 Top-Safety 小鹏 GX 720度5重连环安全挑战成功。